because we spoke about IVF the other day, I'm going to actually do a smoothie to start off with. And in the smoothie, we have flaxseed that you can, is really good for your digestive system. Okay, and we're going to add it to our smoothie. So I have everything ready because I have a lot going on today. And I'm going to heat up my pan for my asparagus while I do my smoothie. Okay, right. In my smoothie, I have some blueberries, wild blueberries, some frozen banana. I'm going to add some almond milk. Okay. And 2 teaspoons of flaxseed. And you can sprinkle this on your cereal, your oatmeal, as I mentioned. It's a really good thing for your digestive system. I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of this. So, and put it in the fridge. After you open it, it has to be refrigerated. And then I'm going to add some almond butter. Just a spoon of almond butter. And this is a great way to start your day, for sure. Now, I crushed some blueberries at the bottom because when you pour it, it actually looks really, really delicious. All them beautiful colors go up. Okay. And that is your blueberry smoothie. Great for breakfast, great for an afternoon snack. Lots of nutrition, antioxidant for the blueberries. All right, so that's number 1. Number 2, I'm making an orzo and pasta salad. Let me just climb over here. I'm going to put some olive oil in here. And I'm going to use garlic, but I'm actually going to put it in after because I don't want to, this takes a few minutes to cook and I'm going to add it in after the fact. You hear the sizzle. These are great as well. Hear the sizzle, kind of loud. Right, while they're cooking, I'm going to go back, I'm going to make a fish. I'm going to do filet of oregano. I'm going to just put these on low for a minute to that. Right, so here's my fish. Doing white fish, you use filet of sole. And today I'm going to do like the oregano style. So I have 2 pieces of fish. They've been washed and patted dry. And now I'm going to just add some salt and pepper to them. And black pepper. I thought these things were so cool, but they're actually it's slow. But we get there. I'm going to drizzle some lemon. Beautiful lemons all cut up. And my little gadget here. If you haven't got this gadget, you can use a fork in a fork upside down. Try and take your tips out first. I have this perfect little gadget here. Then we're going to add some fresh parsley. It comes up, and I'm going to grate some garlic, and I'm just putting it like directly all over. Couple of cloves, nothing major. Okay. Then I'm going to put some oregano in fish and a breadcrumb. So you should really use whole wheat breadcrumbs. Not healthier for you. I didn't have any whole wheat, but they do sell whole wheat now. And it tastes just as delicious. And you're going to put this in the oven for 400 for about 10 minutes. Okay. Just so it gets like a little crunch to it, we're going to put a little bit of olive oil spray. A tiny bit of palm cheese. Okay, so we're going to put that in the oven 400. Right. Go back to my asparagus. So I'm sauteing my asparagus. I am going to now it's been cooking for a little bit. I'm going to add in some fresh garlic. Stir that up. It's yummy. I'm going to get another lemon. We're going to put a little bit of lemon zest in here. Don't go too far down, because once it goes past the white, it gets very tart. So just try to do the very, very top of the lemon. And then after you've done that, you can squeeze the lemon in there. And of course, the salt. And I cooked my orzo already because I made one earlier, rather than going on twice. And I cooked it in, I actually cooked it in vegetable broth. Then we're going to add that to the, and then we're going to add tons of fresh basil. See that coming on there. Now, we get our fresh basil. Actually really tasty between the lemon and the asparagus. If you want to add more veggies to this, you absolutely can. You can add some fresh spinach. I have it here. I didn't put it in the last one, but I have it in the fridge. So I was like, you know what, why not? The more vegetables, the better. All right, especially leafy greens. Right, I'm going to let that cook for a minute and walk down. And then at the end of it, if you want to add a little bit of parm to it, you can. If not, that's fine. Now, I'm going to finish this finish for the day. So you have your filet of sal reganata. You have your asparagus pasta. And tomato, you know, Italy always reminds me of like it's fresh tomatoes. So there's olive oil with a little bit of salt and oregano, dried oregano, delicious. And of course, your smoothie of the week. We did a smoothie this week for your fiber. And the water of the week is basil and orange. Yeah. All righty.